Hey guys, so for today's video I wanted to do a bedroom slash beauty room tour. Now I did move within the year and we bought a fixer-upper house, so our bedroom is basically done and so is my beauty room. There's just a couple electrical things that we need to do, and I'm truly grateful that we got this house because I was able to kind of create a beauty room that I've always dreamed of, and I'm super excited to show you guys. Now I just want to keep this video short and sweet, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you my bedroom. So this is the doorway, and when you first walk in you see the bed. And this is a king size bed, and I just kind of have a basic black bed frame. And I have a nightstand on one side, and then a nightstand on the other side. And these are little wooden stairs for my dogs to crawl up. I have a couple small dogs and they can crawl right up the stairs to get onto the bed. Here's my nightstand. I have a little coaster, and then I have a little night light that also has charger ports in it so I can charge my phone, which is nice. I got this nightstand from IKEA. I just have all my essentials in there. Essential oils for my oil diffuser, lip balms, and then I have some lavender spray, which I love. This is one of the walk-in closets. It's small. Here's one little corner of the bedroom where we have the TV, and then we have a small little dresser and our dog bed. Now this is one corner of our bedroom, and I have this cute shelf that I got from TJ Maxx. And I just have some books on there, a candle, and a little flower. On the other side we have the same night lamp, and then I also have a Himalayan salt lamp, which I love. Just gives good vibes in this bedroom. Love the way it looks and flows. I got these super cute signs from Amazon, and I kind of wanted like the bedroom colors to be like a white and a gray, and then like with pops of black in it. This is the back wall by the door, and I got these 3 signs from Amazon along with the frames. So I bought the pictures separately and then the frames, but I love it. It's just like woods, water, and a mountain. Super simple. Now this is my favorite part of the bedroom. This is like my little relaxing reading corner. I got this lamp from, I believe, Walmart, and then all the little knickknacks on it I got from TJ Maxx. That sign's from Home Goods. This hanging fake plant is also from Home Goods, and then I got this frame and photo from Amazon. I got this chair from Wayfair, and it was cool because they had it in so many different colors, and it wasn't extremely overpriced, and it's also pretty comfy. Pillow from Home Goods, blanket from Home Goods, and I got this little knit footrest from Amazon. And the rug is from house.com. It's super soft. It's like a good texture too, and easy to wash and vacuum over if you need. Now this was a risky purchase because I did get it through the mail. It's huge. It's about 70 inches tall, but it's a tri-fold mirror slash like a room divider. But I love this. I have it in this corner, and eventually I want to hang a little light right there so I can just kind of see what my outfit looks like from every angle. It fits perfectly in this corner. I got this from house.com. Now this is what the entrance looks like to my closet slash beauty room. I absolutely love it. I wanted the French doors, and I wanted everything to be super white and just modern and sleek. So this is my closet. Now this is just the back wall of the closet. I just have 2 little dressers from IKEA, and then I just have my shoes up there, and then I have one long hanger rack to hang all my clothes. And on this side I have a shorter hanging rack. I have my sweaters, jackets on the lower part, and then I have just my jeans and bags. This is my jewelry carrier. I got this on Amazon. I love it. It has like a little keyhole so you can open it. And then inside it just has all my goods. I do have a window in my closet, and this whole room used to be a bedroom, but we basically knocked this wall out and then brought it in more so that our bedroom could be bigger, and then we put in the French doors. And this side has my vanity. So I ended up putting my heels and a couple sneakers on a rack underneath my vanity because I kind of wanted them tucked away and hidden. This is the whole view. This chandelier is from Wayfair. It's so beautiful. Vanity is from IKEA. I got these little shelves from Amazon. Almost everything I got is from Amazon, I swear. Or TJ Maxx and Home Goods. This sign is from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx. Then I got these cool little containers from Amazon. I also have a full in-depth makeup collection video on my channel that I can put in the description box. But I definitely plan on doing an updated one because I've redone a lot of my collection. Now this is my favorite part of my beauty room. So we put in these shelves to put all my palettes on. And then I have like these marble bookends to kind of keep them to stand up. I got that on Amazon. This plant is from Home Goods. It is a fake plant. Alex drawers from IKEA, and then I just hold a bunch of storage in there, like cleansers, a couple other knickknacks that I have for the house. I got this carpet from Walmart, and both of these came from Home Goods, I believe. And I also wanted the flooring to be super like pretty and glamorous, so we went with like this kind of marble look, which I love. But alright guys, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It would help me so much, and I'll see you in the next one.